Headaches can be a debilitating part of daily life, affecting our productivity, mood, and overall well-being. While over-the-counter pain relievers like aspirin and ibuprofen are commonly used to alleviate headache pain, there is a natural remedy that is often overlooked: turmeric. This golden spice, widely used in cooking, has been shown to have remarkable properties that can cure headaches faster than pills. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant. It has been used for centuries in traditional Indian medicine, Ayurveda, and Chinese medicine for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and analgesic properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is responsible for its powerful health benefits. How turmeric works to relieve headaches. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common cause of headaches, particularly migraines. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory effects. It inhibits the production of inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, reducing inflammation and thereby alleviating headache pain. 2. Antioxidant effects. Oxidative stress is another factor that can trigger headaches. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing headache onset. 3. Pain relief. Turmeric's analgesic properties can help in directly reducing headache pain. Curcumin affects various pathways in the brain that process pain, providing relief without the side effects commonly associated with synthetic painkillers. How to use turmeric for headache relief. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is simple and can be done in various ways. 1. Turmeric tea. A warm cup of turmeric tea can provide quick relief from headaches. Boil water and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. For added benefits, include a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. You can also add honey or lemon to improve the taste. 2. Golden milk. This traditional Indian drink is not only delicious but also effective in relieving headaches. To make golden milk, heat a cup of milk, or a plant-based alternative, and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a touch of honey or maple syrup. 3. Turmeric supplements. If you prefer a more concentrated dose, turmeric supplements are available in capsule or tablet form. Look for supplements that contain piperine, black pepper extract, to improve curcumin absorption. 4. Turmeric smoothies. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your favorite smoothie recipe. This is a great way to incorporate turmeric into your diet if you prefer a cold beverage. Scientific evidence supporting turmeric's efficacy. Several studies have investigated the effectiveness of turmeric in treating headaches and migraines. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that curcumin combined with piperine significantly reduced the frequency and severity of migraines in participants. Another study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrated that curcumin has a comparable effect to ibuprofen in reducing pain and inflammation. These studies highlight the potential of turmeric as a natural alternative to conventional headache medications, offering relief without the risk of side effects such as stomach ulcers, gastrointestinal issues, and liver damage associated with prolonged use of synthetic painkillers. Benefits of choosing turmeric over pills. 1. Fewer side effects. Unlike over-the-counter pain relievers, turmeric has minimal side effects when consumed in appropriate amounts. It is a safer option for long-term use. 2. Holistic health benefits. Turmeric not only helps with headaches, but also offers a wide range of health benefits, including improved digestion, enhanced immune function, and better cardiovascular health. 3. Cost-effective. Turmeric is an affordable spice that can be easily incorporated into your diet, making it a cost-effective solution for headache relief. 4. Natural and sustainable. Using turmeric as a remedy aligns with a natural and sustainable lifestyle, reducing reliance on synthetic drugs and their environmental impact. Headaches can be a significant hindrance to our daily lives, but nature provides us with powerful remedies like turmeric. With its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving properties, Turmeric offers a natural and effective way to cure headaches faster than pills. Incorporating this golden spice into your diet through teas, golden milk, supplements, or smoothies can provide not only headache relief, but also numerous other health benefits. Embrace this natural remedy and experience the holistic advantages of turmeric for a healthier, headache-free life.